Hi everyone, welcome back to Car News Info. Porsche's 2024 Cayenne continues its tradition of delivering a thrilling driving experience and luxurious features. Despite being a midsize SUV, the Cayenne handles corners with agility and offers impressive acceleration, especially with its high-output powertrain options, including a plug-in hybrid and a twin-turbo V8. The SUV's chassis is expertly tuned, ensuring a refined ride and a quiet cabin for a comfortable driving experience. This year, the Cayenne receives a mild styling refresh, with subtle changes to the exterior. Inside, the SUV boasts a new dashboard design with more digital displays, including a 12.3-inch touchscreen and a 10.9-inch optional display for the front passenger. The steering wheel is borrowed from the 911 sports car, and a toggle-type shift lever is mounted on the dashboard. Porsche has also enhanced the performance of the Cayenne lineup, with power boosts across different trims, including a new 468 horsepower twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8 for the S model. The entry-level Cayenne comes well-equipped, featuring a 12.3-inch touchscreen, a 10-speaker stereo, and a Wi-Fi hotspot. For an enhanced driving experience, customers can opt for various packages, such as the Premium package for added luxury, the Sport Chrono package for expanded drive modes, and the Off-Road package for improved off-road capabilities. Adaptive dampers are now standard on all Cayenne models, and there are additional performance options available, including an adjustable air suspension, four-wheel steering, and active anti-roll bars. Regarding fuel efficiency, the EPA has not released official estimates for the 2024 Cayenne, but it's expected to be similar to the previous year's model. The plug-in hybrid e-hybrid version is likely to have a slightly higher electric driving range, thanks to an enlarged battery pack that increases usable capacity. Inside, the Cayenne provides a customizable interior with a wide range of options for customers to personalize their SUV according to their preferences, though some choices may come with additional costs. Safety features are abundant in the Cayenne, with forward collision warning, parking sensors, and optional driver assistance technologies like night vision with an infrared camera. Overall, the 2024 Porsche Cayenne offers a compelling blend of performance, luxury, and practicality, making it an appealing choice for sports car enthusiasts seeking an SUV with ample space for passengers and cargo.